Ever wondered why nights feel louder, especially around 2 or 3 a.m.? Let's find out. Number 1. At night everything becomes silent. No traffic, no talking, so even tiny sounds feel louder. Number 2. Around 2-3 a.m. we switch sleep stages. The brain becomes slightly alert, picking up small sounds. Number 3. Temperature changes make wood, metal, and walls expand or contract, creating clicking or tapping sounds. Number 4. Cats, rats, owls, and insects move more at night. Their small noises sound strange indoors. Number 5. Wind pressure, doors shifting, or pipes settling create random noises, especially in quiet homes. Number 1. Humans evolved to fear danger at night. Our brain stays alert in the dark to protect us. Number 2. When half asleep, the brain can't identify sounds properly, so normal noises feel frightening. Number 3. At night, imagination becomes stronger. The mind exaggerates small sounds into scary possibilities. Number 1. People suddenly wake up, trying to understand where the sound came from. Number 2. Most people freeze and carefully listen because instinct tells us to stay alert. Number 3. Some switch on lights, check rooms or doors, seeking safety. Number 4. After fear kicks in, it becomes harder to sleep, heart rate increases, more alertness. Stay calm, take deep breaths, and remind yourself, most night noises are harmless. Nights feel mysterious because silence makes every sound louder, and our brain becomes more alert. Like, share, and follow for more mind plus body science.